Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start Jeep Liberty without key step by step. Do not attempt illegal bypass methods. Contact a licensed locksmith or your dealership instead for authorized help. I will describe safe alternatives like using a spare key, having a professional program a replacement key, and steps to prepare documentation. This keeps you legal and prevents damage to your vehicle while getting you back on the road quickly and safely. If you are locked out, first check for any spare key with family or in common storage spots. Call your roadside assistance or insurance service to see if they cover locksmith or key retrieval services. If those options aren't available, contact the dealership to order and program a replacement key using your vehicle identification and proof of ownership to ensure proper and legal service. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find legitimate solutions. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes waiting for service more enjoyable and adds handy voice control while you work on car tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When calling a professional, have your registration and ID ready to verify ownership and speed the process. Choose a certified locksmith or dealership technician with solid reviews and ask about their experience with your vehicle model. Confirm the price and ask whether the replacement or programming will affect your warranty so you know what to expect and avoid surprises when the service is completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.